This is going to be a direct or spot lux test of the Magic Fire Scorpion 65W HID flashlight. I tried to orientate this setup so that both the meter and the sensor could be seen at the same time, and hopefully that won't wash out the reading on the display. So we will be measuring the output at 1 meter and at 2 meters, and I have the scale set to the times 100 scale. Right now you do see a reading of about 30 or 40 lux, but that's going to be inconsequential in comparison to measuring over 100,000 lux. Now, since this meter only goes to 200,000, if we peg the meter, it'll just go blank. So if that happens, that does mean that we are at least over 200k lux or 200,000 lux. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the Magic Scorpion back here at 1 meter and give it about 30 seconds or so to warm up, and then I'll try to get the hotspot directly on the sensor. We'll see what it reads. At 1 meter, turning it on now. I'm not going to bother aiming it at this point until it can heat up. Alright, since we're starting to heat up, I'm going to start to get the hot spot directly on the sensor. Let's see what the highest reading we can get is. Right now we're at around 195k lux. Got a very tight hot spot, so getting it directly on there is actually a bit of a challenge, more than you might think. Apparently that's going to be about our highest that we have, around 195, 196. It really makes a difference depending on where you put that hot spot. Pretty amazing. 198. So highest I saw it peak at was about 198 for an instant. So there we go. I don't want to do this for too long. I've done it long enough already at this distance. Okay, so I'm gonna come back and to the 2 meter point. We'll do that one. It's currently at 2 meters. So at 2 meters, steady. Looks like we're getting around 60,000, 61,000. Yeah, it looks like about 61,000 at its highest, 61,003. We'll go back to the 1 meter point one more time, just to check it again. $95,000, 190. Oh, I just pegged it. 199. that hotspot is it's really a touchy test here, but I think we get the idea. There, we just pegged it. So we know that's 200k lux, so at its most intense point we know that it's at least just over 200k. So there it is, direct spot lux measurement of the MF65W.